People were happy, were earning well, they were enjoying the parties. Events used to happen. Folks were also used to travel to different places and enjoying their time. Children were enjoying their school time by learning new things, playing with their friends. Everything was fine and normal. At one time, there entered the devil called coronavirus, which disturbed almost everyone's life and lifestyle in one or the other way. So, in today's video, we are gonna discuss some of the precautions to be taken by the sports person whenever they go out for the practice and some of the advantages and disadvantages from the corona lockdown. This disease took many people's life. Many of them suffered a lot by this pandemic disease and later got recovered. Some of the people spent their precious money to save their lives and their family members. Some weak minded people got suicided thinking this dangerous disease may kill them in near future. Almost each and everyone were afraid of getting infected from this disease at the beginning. Children were not allowed to step out from their residence due to this fear. Senior citizens also were inside their home as the recovery rate was very low in elderly people. The cases started increasing a lot day by day, which made government to declare lockdown pan-India.
संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है। हिंदुस्तान को बचाने के लिए, हिंदुस्तान के हर नागरिक को बचाने के लिए, आपको बचाने के लिए, आपके परिवार को बचाने के लिए आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है।
Government did not have any other quick options to stop the spread of COVID-19. Lockdown was declared for the people's good, but slowly, on the other face, even lockdown started creating more problem than the pandemic disease. For many families, those were dependent on their daily wages faced financial difficulties, even for their food. Those who had traveled for the other cities or places for working got struck due to no transportation. Many companies, industries, and other businesses dropped their production and profits too. Thus, the country's economy also went down. There were hospitals working to help COVID patients. We have to thank the nurses, doctors, medical staffs, and other who all were associated in the process of keeping people safe. Some of the NGOs, few politicians also took an initiative in distributing food packets to the poor by maintaining personal distance and by wearing masks and gloves. Lockdown also brought some changes in our society. There are few advantages by this lockdown. According to the data, approximately 11,310 people were dying due to road accidents every day. But in the month of April and May, India recorded around 3,288 deaths, which is almost 70% lesser than the actual accidents. India emits around 2,299 million tons of carbon dioxide every year. But the emission of carbon dioxide in the year 2020 due to less automobile mobility. So this gave a chance to many birds and animals to survive a bit longer and happy life without any polluted air. People spotted peacocks coming to the roads as there was no sound and air pollution. Those children who were working, studying, and staying away from their family got a very good time to spend with their parents and family members in this lockdown time. The fear of getting infected by corona made people to maintain cleanliness. Many cities, towns, hobbies started maintaining the hygienic level than before. And coming to my personal life, I used this tough lockdown time for some of the positive things. I wanted to convert this economic challenge into an opportunity. I started teaching football online, which gave an opportunity for me to reach children all over India. Started analyzing the stock market and invested on it. Got associated with some of the online businesses. And finally started a YouTube channel for the football learners. I'm also happy that I got a time to spend with my parents I learned preparing some delicious food, enriched my knowledge by reading some books and using YouTube videos. After the completion of lockdown, I started playing football with my friends. I used to be very careful whenever I was stepping out of my home. So, I would like to share some ideas which will keep you away from the infection even if you are going out for the practice. It feels bit difficult to play football by wearing mask, but until we reach the ground from our home, I prefer wearing mask while riding or walking on the roads. It's better to discuss with everyone before starting a game that if anyone is having a symptoms like coughing, sneezing and a fever. Sanitizing our hands before we start the game is also a possible idea. I personally use a solution made up of coconut oil, tulsi extract and garlic, which acts like a natural sanitizer. Once the practice is done, when you go back to your home, we need to mix a Dettol solution in the water and wash all the clothes which we had used for the practice and then take a head bath. After taking a bath, rest for 30 minutes and boil the water mixing tulsi drops and garlic paste and take a steam out of that for 5 minutes. Take a longer breath using both your mouth and the nostrils. This helps you in killing the virus present in your paranasal sinus, which is deep inside your nose above your mouth. If the virus had entered the body that day while practicing, it would be definitely present in your paranasal sinus. Taking steam will kill the virus present there. Repeating this after 3 hours will give you the better effect. Also practice drinking hot water mixing turmeric, garlic, tulsi and lemon in the morning, which naturally boosts your immunity. Let us take care of ourselves by maintaining social distance and wearing mask in public gathering, washing our hands oftenly, taking steam at least once a day, boosting our immunity are some of the vital practice we need to have in this current situation. When we lose something and get it back again, that's the time we realize the importance of what we had lost. I hope you convert this challenge into an opportunity. I wish you all to be safe and healthy. Thank you. Take care.